Open it. Good morning to all of you. Even those who are connected online. Good morning. I wish कि सबके कल के फेस्टिवल रक्षाबंधन सबका अच्छे से बीता है ना। गिफ्ट लड़कियों ने खूब गिफ्ट लिए है ना, और भाइयों के पूरे खर्च करवाए है ना। भाई अफसोस करेंगे, ओ I have to give these things to my sister. Anyways, on that good note, having good memories. Next thing we are going to start. I think that we have almost done this one. Your worksheet number, question number 1 was your homework that I have given you to do. Now that next is Dhruv has lost his new set of sketch pen. Can you suggest some places where he could have kept them? One example is given below. Again, सिर्फ आपको prepositions के साथ, जैसे ध्रुव आप अपनी पेंसिल या अपने राइटिंग स्टफ्स को कहाँ रख के भूल जाते हैं. Imagine that the Dhruv is in your, है ना. So you just write down, जैसे first one is written in his bag, लिखा हुआ है, उसी तरह आप लिख सकते हो under the table, है ना, या फिर in his pouch, ठीक है, in his cupboard, like this. You can just write down. Yes, ये सारे use करके एक preposition और एक noun आप इसको complete कर लोगे, ठीक है. Next is read the following sentences. I went to the market with my sister. The necklace is made of gold. I have bought this marker pen for you. Could you please collect my dress from the tailor? The underlined words in the above sentences are also prepositions. देखो, अगर बहुत ध्यान से अगर आप लोग देखोगे लाइंस में, तो आपको देखो जो मैंने तुम लोगों को बताया है ये उसी से कनेक्ट करता है. जैसे फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, sorry, page number 41. Page number 41. Question number 3. Read the following sentences. I went to the market. If you remember the definition of preposition, अगर आप लोगों को याद है preposition का definition क्या था, तो मैंने वहाँ लिखवाया था तुम लोगों को कि prepositions are the words which used to show the relation of a subject. और वो subject क्या है? That is a noun or a pronoun. ठीक है? The relation of one noun and pronoun with or pronoun, वो या तो noun होगा या pronoun होगा, with the other words of the sentence. वाक्य में जो दूसरे शब्द हैं उनके साथ उनके रिलेशन को वो बताता है. ये बताया था मैंने तुम लोग को. I explained you with the examples also. Now just remember that. उसको एक बार फिर से रिवाइज करो दिमाग में और देखो यहाँ वही है या नहीं. यहाँ फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट में I went to the market है ना. I क्या है? What is I? I is a pronoun. I is a pronoun. Went to the market with my sister. The noun are here market and sister. ठीक है. जरूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक का एक ही से दिखाएगा. एक का और या फिर preposition sentence में एक ही हो सकता है, more than one भी हो. As you can see in number 1, sentence number A, वहाँ क्या दिख रहा है आपको? I went to the market with my sister. First part है I went to the market. ठीक है? I went to the market. It is the first part of this sentence. पहला word है I. ये क्या है? Replacing word है ना? I went. Went is the action word. वो है verb. क्योंकि मैं जा रहा हूँ है ना, मैं चल रहा हूँ, मैं बोल रहा हूँ. These are the verbs. थर्ड वर्ड है to और उसके बाद है market. to को भूल जाओ. अगर to को वहां से हम इनविजिबल कर दे, जादू में करो और वो गायब हो जाए, आपका सेंटेंस क्या होगा? I went the market. I went the market. it is not giving you a meaning, doesn't making any sense. There is no relation between the subject, यानी जो आई है उसका और मार्केट का रिलेशन कुछ भी नहीं पता चल रहा है, नहीं पता चल रहा है। लेकिन जैसे ही हमने वहां लगाया टू, आई वेंट टू द मार्केट, सब संबंध रिलेशन पता चल गया। क्या है भाई मार्केट क्यों यहाँ पे मेंशन है? क्योंकि मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, मैं मार्केट जा रहा हूँ। आई एम गोइंग टू द मार्केट, आई वेंट टू द मार्केट, मैं मार्केट गया था। अगेन यहाँ है नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, विथ माई सिस्टर। अगेन जो प्रोनाउन है उसका रिलेशन बता रहा है सिस्टर के साथ, कौन सा वर्ड? विथ। I went to the market with my sister. तो यहाँ पे to और with ये क्या है? Prepositions है। देखो यहाँ पे कितने prepositions हो गए? More than one. So it's not necessary that in one sentence only one prepositions can be used. वहाँ पे एक से ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं, ठीक है? Next देखो, the necklace is made of gold. Necklace और gold relation कौन बता रहा है? ऑफ। ऑफ क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? प्रीपोजिशन, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट, आई हैव बाउट दिस मार्कर पेन फॉर यू। मार्कर पेन फॉर यू, यू एंड पेन दोनों के बीच फॉर। तो इसी तरह से यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज यानी डू इट योरसेल्फ में देखो, अंडरलाइन द प्रीपोजिशंस इन द फॉलोइंग स्टोरी। अ स्पैरो फैमिली, अंडरलाइन इट। I'm narrating it, underline it. Okay, now underline the prepositions. On page number 41, number 1, do it yourself, number 1. A sparrow family lived in a nest, underline in a nest, on the top, underline on, in और on दोनों अंडरलाइन हो गए। अब देखो ये कितना, इसमें एक ही सेंटेंस है, कितने सारे प्रीपोजिशंस है। A sparrow family lived in, underline in, a nest, underline on, the top of, again of is your preposition, so underline of, in front, top of a mango tree, in, underline in, front of, underline of, a small hut. A sparrow family lived in a nest on the top of a mango tree in front of a small hut. So कितने हैं? काउंट करो कितने prepositions आए one sentence में? In, on, of, 4, 5. 5 prepositions in one sentence. In, on, off, है ना? Now, the family included the father sparrow, the mother sparrow, and 3 baby sparrows. Chi-chi. The youngest among, underline among. देखो मैंने लास्ट क्लास में समझाया था तुम लोगों को कि बिटवीन कहाँ यूज करते हैं, जहां डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस। क्लास वीडियो तो आप लोग देखे नहीं होंगे, देखो ध्यान से सुनो, those who are connected online also. There are 2 prepositions between and among. जब किसी चीज को बांटने की बात होती है ना, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की बात होती है, तो हम लोग वहां पे बिटवीन या अमंग लगाते हैं। तो बिटवीन कहाँ? बिटवीन लगाएंगे जब डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन 2 के साथ होगा, ठीक है? जब डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन 2 के साथ होता है तो हम लगाते हैं बिटवीन, ठीक है? लेकिन अगर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, if the distribution is with more than 2, 2 से ज्यादा लोगों के बीच में, चाहे वो 3 हो, 4 हो, 5 हो, तब वहां पे हम among लगाते हैं, है ना? जैसे अगर सपोज आई एम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग चॉकलेट अमंग ऑल ऑफ यू, है ना? अभी आर नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर मोर देन 1, है ना? 23, 25, 26, whatever the number, even if it is 3, So I will write the sentence like this. I am distributing the chocolates among the students. ठीक है. अगर मैं बोलूंगी I am sharing or distributing chocolate between me and Nandini. जब दो के बीच में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है किसी भी चीज का, है ना, अगर दो है तो आपको वहां पे बिटवीन लगाना, और दो से ज्यादा है तो वहां अमंग लगाना. अब यहाँ पे देखोगे अगर आप, तो आप देखो चीची द यंगेस्ट अमंग 3 babies, that means more than 2. तो यहाँ पे प्रीपोजिशन अमंग है, अंडरलाइन करो अमंग. Was also the naughtiest of, underline of, naughtiest of. She would often play pranks on the people, underline on, underline on, the people of the village, underline of, and these little children, and these little children. She would pluck leaves or small fruits from the trees, underline from, underline from, underline from. Okay. And throw them at people's head, underline at, underline at. Sometimes she would pick small children's marble, put them in her beak, underline in, and fly over, underline over, fly over, across the village, underline across, over के बाद कृति, over के बाद across, across, before, across the village before, underline before. Underline before. Finally throwing them into, underline into the river. Everybody in the village, underline in, was tired of Chichi's, tired of, underline of, Chichi's mischiefs. Even Chichi's parents scolded her for, underline for, being so naughty. Being so naughty. Being so naughty. Scolded her for. Last line, for. Done? Now, next is your homework again. There is a poem. You all have to attempt yourself first. पहले खुद से करना है, उसमें कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स डालने हैं जिससे वो पोइट्री बनेगा. पहले कोशिश करो, जब नहीं होगा तो फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगा. ठीक है? आई थिंक अब टर्न करो सब लोग रीडिंग फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग की तरफ. रीडिंग फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन सेक्शन. आगे कंटेंट में जाके देखो पेज नंबर क्या है. पीछे से जो रीडिंग फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग आता है वो प्रैक्टिस होता आपका पोर्शन अब होगा. पेज नंबर 67. पेज नंबर 67. The wind. understanding the wind. Page number 67. Anyone whose name is, to read it first, explain you, and then you will answer. है ना? So just hear the poem. Hear the, Sanvi, can you please sit properly? Sit properly. I always tell you to sit in a correct posture. Aradhya Sinha, you should also keep your back straight. Aradhya Sinha. सीधी बैठो बेटा, सीधी है ना, ऐसे नहीं ऐसे, ठीक? चलो. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you. Don't stop. The wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Listen, I'm reading it again. Please focus on the pronunciations of the words. Who has seen the wind? Wind, that means right now we are feeling. Wind, hawa hi hai na? Hai na? When the air is moving very fastly, that is, they're having a great speed. Do anyone have seen air or wind? इसका कोई स्ट्रक्चर है? आप देख पाते हो? नहीं देख पाते. फिर आपको पता कैसे चल रहा है? हवा चल रही है कि आंधी आई है कि तूफान आया है, कैसे पता चलता है? जब पेड़ जोर जोर से हिलने लगते हैं, है ना? पेड़ों की पत्तियां हिलने लगती है, पत्ते या जमीन पर पड़े हुए सामान उड़ने लगते हैं अचानक से. Then you feel that the wind is here or the air is moving. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. किसने आंधी को देखा है या हवा को देखा है? ना ही मैंने, ना ही आपने. But when the leaves hang trembling मतलब shaking in speed, घबरा के, थरथराते हुए, है ना? But when the leaves trembling, the wind is passing through. Then we got to know that हवा तेज चल रही है, पत्तियों के हिलने से पेड़ों के, अभी जैसे यहाँ देखो, आप अपने खिड़की के बाहर देखोगे तो पेड़ की पत्तियां धीरे धीरे वेव कर रहे हैं ना, वेव कर रहे हैं. Then we got to know कि हवा चल रही है. यही पत्तियां तेज तेज डोलने लगे, है ना, धूल उड़ने लगे, कागज वगैरह जमीन पे होता है वो उड़ने लगे, तो हम समझते हैं माँ आंधी आ गई, है ना, या तूफान आ गया. पर देखा तो किसी ने नहीं, है ना? Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. मतलब इतनी तेज होती है हवा कि कभी कभी पेड़ झुक जाते हैं, ना? Bow down their head मतलब क्या? सिर झुका लेते हैं? नहीं, वो झुक जाते हैं, है ना? With the pressure of the air. Then what happens to the again? सीधे बैठो बेटा, सीधे बैठो, सीधे बैठो, and keep सर गए है ना? Keep your mask on face. Now answer the following question. Has the poetess seen the wind? Now on that basis, we are going to do the exercises. Reading for understandings are small comprehensions. That will include your poem as well as small stories, short passages. Okay? So यहाँ पे वही है, reading for understanding wind. तो पहला है, has the poetess seen the wind? No. Write down number A. Number 1. A का 1 का आंसर लिखिए. Has the poetess seen the wind? No. The poetess hasn't. Poetess has not equal to hasn't. Okay? Not seen the wind. टोटल भी लिख दो। Why you don't stand? I'm sorry. How do poets know the wind is passing by? Write down the answer of number 2. How does you're feeling difficulty? देखने में दिक्कत हो रहा है, देखने में दिक्कत हो रहा है। अगर देखने में दिक्कत हो रहा है, you can shift yourself from there. और shift कर. Number 2. When the leaves, when the leaves and trembling and trembling and trembling. When the leaves hang trembling, the poets know that wind is passing. Wind is passing. Okay. जो सीधे बैठो. Trembling, the poetess. The poetess. The poetess. When the leaves hang trembling, the poetess knows that wind is passing. Wind is passing. See, I have completed, and I will complete it for me. And my work is completed. Now I have completed. And there is no need of making the announcement again and again. You finish, just sit quietly. That's it. Okay? Don't make announcement. I have completed. I have completed. That's it. I think now everyone has completed. Sabka ho gaya. है ना? Now turn the page number 68. 68 को turn कर. Page turn to page number 68 now. 68. Now what we have to do here? Match the following with the correct meanings. Leaves hang trembling. Trees bend because of wind. Trees fall down. Leaves shake because of wind. Match with leaves shake because of wind. Number B है, number B first है leaves and trembling. And meaning इसका होता है leaves shake. So match it from it. Shake because of wind. Shake because of wind. Now, number 2. Trees bow down. Their heads. And meaning is leaves become dry and fall because of autumn night. यहाँ होगा trees bend because of wind. So match it from it. Trees bend. Match it with this. Trees bend because of wind. Okay? Trees bend because of wind. इसको इससे मैच कर लो. हो गया? थरथराना, शेक करना, हिलना, है ना? Done? Now, next passage. Who will read? Harshita, come here. Come here with your book. And read here. Stand up here in front of the camera. Let's read.
Us know that plant has life. Whatever few of us know that plant can hear too. In 1960, an Indian scientist working on plants found that plant responded and grew taller and stronger. That plant
Okay, go back. Go back. Nadia, come. Come. Read it loudly. The scientist noticed.
the scientist noticed that
Speak loudly.
the scientist noticed that it's growing in
Patty,
very
I will tell you the meaning. Just read it now.
very
Strong.
strong, healthy, and
Reduced.
produced more when the
Indian.
Indian music was played to them.
That's it. That's it. Go ahead. Nandini, come. Continue. Place to them.
In most cases,
Little bit louder. Little bit louder.
between 25 and 60%. Later, a scientist in the US tried to find out what kind of music plant would be. To her surprise, she found that the plant did not like rock music at all. In fact, all her plants died when a shrill rock record was played. On the other hand, her plants loved classical music, extensively Indian classical, and some plants became bored when soft jazz music was played.
Here we are going to know about the you can say magic of music. Nandini, can I have your book, please? Okay. Now, most of us know that plants have life. सबको मालूम है कि like us, trees are also living beings, है ना? वो भी living beings ही हैं. So that means they are also having life. But very few of us know that plants can hear too. बहुत लोग कम जानते हैं कि वो सुन भी सकते हैं. अभी तक हम लोग कैसे जानते हैं कि trees, because they use CO2 for their breathing. They used to breathe. That makes them that they are having life. है ना? In 1960, an Indian scientist working on plants found that plants responded to music and grew taller and stronger than plants that grew without any music. The scientists noticed that rice growing in paddy fields grew strong, healthy, and produced more when Indian music was played to them. लेकिन still अभी तक बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं. Even I don't have any idea that plants can hear. लेकिन it is now proved by an Indian scientist. First, so he has proved that they can hear. वो सुन भी सकते हैं. कैसे? तो he played music in front of them. और जिन plants के पास music बज रहा था वो तेजी से बड़े हो रहे थे, है ना? They are growing faster than the plants जिनके पास म्यूजिक नहीं बज रहे थे. And especially जिनके पास इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक बज रहा था, that means they are having the choice of music. उनके पसंद का म्यूजिक भी. प्लांट्स भी सबको वो रॉ म्यूजिक ही नहीं पसंद है ना, बहुतों को इंडियन क्लासिकल भी पसंद है. तो यहाँ पे उस साइंटिस्ट ने उनको ये एक व्यू मिला, या ही मेड एन ओपिनियन कि जिनके पास इंडियन म्यूजिक बजाया गया वो प्लांट्स ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग थे, हेल्दी थे, है ना? In most cases, harvest went up between 25 and 60%. Later, scientists in the US tried to find out what kind of music plants prefer. To her surprise, she found that plants did not like rock music at all. Rock music nahi pasand tha, matlab lots of beat and loud music were not loved by the plants. Arjun, you are not at your home, so don't relax. Anna, sit properly. On the other hand, in fact, all her plants died when a shrill rock number was played. On the other hand, her plants loved classical music, especially Indian classical. And some plants even flowered when soft jazz music was played. जिनके पास रॉक म्यूजिक बजाया गया वो प्लांट्स कुछ ही दिनों में डेड हो गए, यानी सूख गए, है ना? लेकिन जहां इंडियन क्लासिकल बजा वो प्लांट्स बहुत तेजी से स्ट्रॉन्ग और हेल्दी होते हुए ग्रो किए. एंड दिस मेड हर टू मेक अ कंक्लूजन that plants used to love classical music, especially Indian classical music. Now, passage के बेस पे अब हम लोग इससे related जो भी works हैं वो करेंगे. So number 8, write T for true and F for false statements. Plants can hear. It is true. Page number 68, question number 2, passage number 2, number A और उसका number 1 है T. Plants can hear. Yes, they can hear. So वहाँ T लिखेंगे सब लोग. Plants that grew with music did not seem to be any different from those that grew without music. It is a false statement. Different था, है ना? दोनों में difference था. So what was the difference? ये है passage number 2, question A, number 1, true, number 2, false. A scientist in the USA found that her plants preferred rock music. No. What they used to prefer? They used to prefer Indian classical music. Some plants flowered when Indian music was played to them. ये भी false है because some flowered कब हुआ था? Jazz. And some plants even flowered when soft jazz music was played. यहाँ पे भी ऐसे होगा. Next, answer the following question. What happened to the rice in the paddy fields? Paddy field बोलते हैं आप लोग गांव कभी गए होंगे, when you move to village, आपने देखा होगा कि गांव में लेडीज पानी के अंदर कीचड़ में घुस के चावल प्लांट सैपलिंग्स को सो कर रहे होते हैं ग्राउंड में, है ना। पैडी फील्ड्स चावल के खेतों को बोलते हैं, ठीक है, जहाँ पे धान, है ना, धान रोपा जाता है, दे आर पैडी फील्ड्स, ठीक है। धान से ही फिर हमारे राइस बनते हैं, मालूम है ना सबको। So now, what happened to the rice in the paddy fields when music was played to it over a period? Question number B, number 1. The rice growing in the paddy fields. View strong, healthy, strong, healthy, and produced more and produced more when Indian strong, healthy, HEALTHY, अलग हो गया थोड़ा सा, ठीक है। Indian music